Hey, twin, come from over there so she can, that's the old pipe right there.
Hey.
Hey,
So you want to take a look inside?
Yeah, so
that was all deteriorated.
this is, this is inside,
Yeah,
Yeah.
and this is outside,
yeah.
in here.
Mm-hmm.
So this one was where the big hole, oh, I see, this is the big hole.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, some of it just fell apart when we were taking it down. You want to look in there?
Here's my light.
Oh, thank you. So you just replaced there, right?
Yeah, that one part where the big hole was.
Uh-huh.
See it?
So you just taped it together?
No, it's screwed. It's screwed.
And tape.
You always put the tape for a seal, but the
Uh-huh.
screws are to hold everything together.
Okay.
Yep.
And you looked at all the other one, it seems okay.
Yeah,
right?
that one there. I checked it. There was no holes in that one right there, so it's no need to replace it.
Yeah, and then this one is that. And then so does it look like it? Oh, so you capped it.
Yeah,
Yeah, we put a cap.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it looks like it should be capped, right?
Yeah.
It looked like it should be capped.
Yeah, it should have been capped. The old one may have just fell apart.
Yeah, yeah.
Just rusted out.
Right, because the purpose is for it to go
Out. Yeah.
Yeah,
Through the
but see-
chimney.
But see, you going through that masonry. You go through that masonry wall.
Through the
Now
chimney.
you got to realize that that cold air settles inside of all of this, and then when this heater comes on, it starts to push. It does battle with that cold air to push it out. And in order to start venting, that masonry has to warm up. It all has to warm up, and then it starts to vent. But while that's taking place, the gases inside of there, it starts to produce condensation. And that condensation on this galvanized, it starts to cause rust to take place. And that's what happened with your old piping, is that everything rusted out.
So that will continue to happen.
It's gonna happen because it's just the natural dynamics of the heater trying to do the process of venting.
Right.
And until you come up with either a new heater system that is more efficient, then you can start having different type of venting. But as long as you're with this old type of heater system and it's tied into that masonry, it's gonna produce.
But you get a good few years before it happens, though.
Yeah.
Well, I would imagine forever because I'm sure this was the original house.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is the original pipe.
Yeah.
So if it takes that long, this
Right.
is a 1920 house.
Right.
So,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I don't think I need to worry about
Right.
that. Right.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the service?
Oh, 10, 11,
11.
15.
15.
All right.
Good.
You guys have been loyal to me. Every time I call, you guys come over, you know, to check on, you know, I have different issues, you know, you guys make sure that my old thing is still safe, you know.
Okay.
So
All
yeah,
right.
I mean, this time again,